in Sulphur, Oklahoma at the Chickasaw Cultural Center, and joining me is Jennifer Bryant, who is the Director of Horticulture. And Jennifer, we are in your butterfly pollinator garden, right?
Yeah, Chokma, welcome to our butterfly garden.
Thank you so much. It's a beautiful garden. Obviously, the sculptures really stand out, but the flowers are why the pollinators come. Tell us a little bit about some of the plants you have here.
Yeah, so we grow a variety of native plants throughout our campus, not just here on our butterfly garden, but we will go out and we selectively harvest throughout the Chickasaw Nation local seed, and we grow it out in our 2-bay greenhouse, and we plant it throughout our campus. So in this bed, we have several species that are really good for butterflies. In the monarch, we have the butterfly weed, milkweed, which is really good for our monarchs. And we have several pollinator nectar producing plants, such as the Mexican hat here.
You even have some woody shrubs over there. The plum tree?
So we have Chickasaw plums here, and we grow those throughout our campus as well.
Excellent. All right. Well, it's a beautiful garden. And like you just said, I mean, this is a nice sized garden if it was in your backyard, but your campus is how large exactly? And
so we have 184 acres here at the Chickasaw Cultural Center.
Okay, and a lot of these pollinator plants are planted throughout, correct?
Yeah, we have almost 80 beds here on campus, and pretty much milkweed is in almost every single one of our beds. And we really try and extend that pollinator habitat to all of our beds.
Well, I know we're all looking out for the pollinators and the monarchs especially, but can you tell us why it's culturally significant to you guys?
So, you know, we can't have the plants that we rely on without our pollinators. So many culturally significant plants, the foods that we eat, they need to be pollinated. And also the butterfly is the symbol of the dynamic Chickasaw woman. So we're really trying to promote their conservation.
Excellent. And I believe you have a big festival coming up. Tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah, so September 13th, we'll have Monarch Butterfly Day. And this is a day we celebrate the monarch butterfly and its conservation. We will bring our partners in conservation here on campus, and we'll have lots of different activities. We'll have the UT Butterfly Farm will bring their butterfly tent, and we give away painted lady caterpillars. We'll have build your own butterfly gardens, so you can take home your own start of 6 plants for your own garden at home.
Excellent. So where can people find more information about that?
Yeah, so if you visit our website and our social media accounts.
Excellent. Okay, well, thank you so much for sharing all of this information. It's a fabulous garden and just a great place to get out and learn a little bit more about the Chickasaw Nation.
Yeah, Yakuki, thanks for coming.
We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.